Hi guys, it's Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got into this cute little holiday party makeup. And I know that people aren't going to holiday parties, but I just thought it'd be cute to do it. And if you want to see how I got into this cute little look, keep on watching. Okay, so I have my eyebrows filled, and then I'm gonna go in with my white. I'm gonna go under and above my eyebrows with that white. My eyebrow, I'm just gonna blend it with that white so that, because if I just set it, sometimes I can have like weird little disconnects. Oh, and I did prime using e.l.f. Poreless Putty because Katana primes and said it was good. So I usually don't use primer. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of white and a lot of white. Just go in and the foundation together. What is going on with my lighting? Okay, I feel like I'm always leaving you guys in the dark. I'm gonna come closer. As to what like I'm doing shade wise. Obviously it's going to look a little bit lighter because I did just change the lighting. But I mean, that's a pretty good match to my hand looking light. Also I have paint on me, so like, I swear I don't like rashes or little pimples. But if you're darker than me, you can obviously adjust. And I don't usually wear this normal, like, kind of different shade makeup unless I'm doing drag, so I guess that's fine because I'm going to be doing, like, colorful blush and stuff around it, so I don't know why I make those faces while contouring. It really does not help anything, like. So I'm going to add some green blush onto right here so we can add some mistletoe-y looking cute stuff.
Can you see it now?
No.
Come on.
Does this look cute on the nose though? Then I'm going to start on the eyes and I'm going to do some red up here and some green down there. And so I'm going to start with like a little bit of pink. A little bit of red. I'm basically just going to use whatever product is already on the brush first. So it's very pink and purple, so I'm just going to blend that into the crease. Honestly, I always get like two different eyes. Like I want them to be more circular, but one's always trying to do too much. People telling me to stop playing the victim. I am the victim. So I'm gonna do mascara and then lips and lashes, and then I'm almost done. I don't know, even with eyelashes on, I'll sometimes feel like I'm not even wearing eyelashes. I'm like, where is the lash? Because, like, if it's just one eyelash like this, I'm like, ugh. But I don't want to put on my 3 pair because they don't feel nice right now because I need to clean them, but, like, I mean, it looks better than the other eye, but, like, bonita, bonita, bonita. Okay, stunning. So after that, I'm going to go in and do some dark red lips. I'm going to get into the hair and the little outfit, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to get into the outfit and the hair, and I'll be right back. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more, and comment below on what you want me to do next. Thank you for watching.